welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 simple, quick, and easy hair hacks that are going to change your world. And yes, I know that's a big statement, but just watch me follow through. I need those like pixelated glass to like come down, you know? Do you know what I mean? Anyway, each of the 3 hacks kind of covers its own step in the hair process. Hack number 1 is gonna help you with prepping your hair. Hack number 2 is gonna help you with styling your hair. And hack number 3 is gonna help you with accessorizing your hair. We got a lot going on today. It's gonna casually transform your entire hair experience, so yeah, let's do it. Let's start off with hack number 1. It's a good place to start. So this one is gonna help you with prepping your hair, and for this I actually need to go wash my hair really fast, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my hair is all clean, we can get right into the hack. Let me just comb it out a bit. So if I let this sit too long, you guys are gonna actually see that I have naturally really curly hair. And if you're styling curly hair, that means you're gonna be using lots of products like creams, mousses, gels, basically the whole hair aisle. I don't wear my hair naturally curly anymore though, I always heat style it. And the one curly hair product that I've really been missing ever since I started heat styling is Humidity gel. Namely, the Ouidad Climate Control Heat and Humidity gel that I have right here. I mean, I would put this in my curly hair and I did not have to worry about the weather forecast at all. No matter what, my style stayed exactly as it was. Which is not the case when you just straighten your hair and walk out into the rain. It poofs up. It's not cute. So one day, probably a very humid day, I got pretty desperate and I just decided I'm gonna try putting the gel in my hair and then heat styling it just to see what would happen. I was expecting a sticky, clumpy, nasty mess, and that's not what happened. It actually works. So I'm just gonna show you what I do right now. Basically, I just take some of the climate control gel in my hand, around that much, and I just finger rake it through my clean, wet, towel dried hair. So just make sure that you get it everywhere. The top too. Just gonna wipe this off my hands. Okay, and that's that. You just let it dry or blow dry and then heat style it as normal. You're not gonna be able to feel it after. It really doesn't affect the texture of your hair like you might think it would. All it does is just give you like an invisible protector against heat, humidity, rain, all the bad stuff that can be outside, and your hair won't blow up. Pretty life-changing. So that was hack number 1, how to prep and protect your hair for humidity before you heat style it. And now for hack number 2, I need it already styled, so I'm just gonna grab my flat iron, quickly style my hair, and I'll see you back in a sec. I'm back. So things are looking pretty good. Overall, things are pretty smooth everywhere but the top. You could just go across to the white background. You can kind of see I got those like frizzies up at the top, the little baby hairs. And that's where hack number 2 comes in. It's how to deal with these frizzies at the top and on the sides. So you could just take some hairspray, spray it, push it down, take some hair oil, do it. But hairspray is gonna wear off, oil's gonna make you look a little greasy. Not really the best options. So what I've kind of figured out is something a little bit better and holds it a little longer, and that is brushing it with a curling wand. I know that sounds pretty weird, but we're gonna do it and you're gonna see it's gonna work. So you can use any curling wand or curling iron. I'm using the Drybar Wrap Party. This is my fave. You turn it on, get it nice and hot, and you are literally just going to, I need a mirror, I'm gonna burn myself. So you're just gonna take it and kind of smooth it over the hair. You don't wanna go like too slow where you're gonna start just like burning your hair. You just kind of run it over nice and smooth over everywhere that needs a little help. And there, you can already see how much smoother that's looking as compared to the other side. Like, ugh. Go to the other side too. This is just giving the top layer of your hair just an extra shot of heat to keep everything nice and smooth and flat. You can go down a section there that's a little bit frizzy. And now at this point, you can actually take the hairspray, spray it onto your hands a little bit. If there's any stubborn pieces, this will just finish the job. Pat it down, and those frizzies are not coming back anytime soon. Look how much better that looks. We are totally smooth on top, nothing sticking out, getting all fuzzy looking. We're in good shape. That was hack number 2, on to hack number 3. So I told you this one was about accessorizing, and I'm bringing out one of my favorite accessories, the headband with the little tag that I cut off showing. Better. So one of the most annoying things when you wear a headband is what I would call the headband bump, the dreaded headband bump. I'm just gonna slide this on and we're gonna check it out together. What a day to wear hoops. This is so difficult. Okay. Okay, so I got the headband on and it looks good from the front. Everything's fine. It's when we turn around that we get to the problem. Right here is our problem. It's this little section of hair that's sitting over the band of the headband right there. and just kind of sticking out. You just spent all this time straightening your hair, smoothing out the frizzies. You want everything to look absolutely perfect, but then you just have your hair just sticking over the headband. It's annoying. It used to be that either I just had to ignore the bump or pull my hair into a ponytail up so that nothing was like sticking, just laying over the headband. But I figured out a hack where you can wear your hair straight, smooth, down, over the headband, and you're not gonna have to deal with that bump. It's as simple as just grabbing that section of hair and tucking it under the headband. Let me show you what I mean. So you wanna feel and just find the exact section of hair that is the problem. For me, it's this one right here. And what you're gonna do is just tuck it under the headband. So you're just gonna lift the band, put your finger under, kind of hook that section of hair, and pull it through. So now you have all your hair over the headband other than that one section right there. I hope that was clear. And now when I feel to the back, no bump, it's gone. I hope you guys can tell, but it is 100% smooth. There's no section of hair jutting out over the headband. That section of hair isn't hanging longer than the rest of my hair. There's no weird gap there. It's such a small section that it really doesn't make such a big difference to the look of your hair, other than getting rid of that annoying bump. And that was hack 3 of 3. We made it through the whole list. The hack for prepping your hair for humidity before you heat style, the hack for styling your hair, getting rid of the frizz by brushing it with a curling wand, and hack number 3, getting rid of that annoying headband bump by tucking your hair through. If you enjoyed the video, if you picked up anything new, just scroll down and leave a big like on this video before you click out. I'd really appreciate it. While you're down there, you can also join the ByStephieNics fam by subscribing. Hit the big red subscribe button. We have fun here. We would love to have you. You can also click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button. What could that do? That will let you join the notification club, which I just named. I think it's so cute. I don't know if other people say that, but join it if you want to by clicking the bell. If you have any requests for future videos, more hair stuff, like hair tutorials, extension stuff, you just want me to go back to makeup videos, or do more fashion stuff like my fall lookbook I just put out, anything you want to tell me, let me know down in the comment section below, and yeah, give me your feedback. I love it. Tell me what you want to see. Oh my god, fall favorites. Are we feeling a fall favorites? We gotta do a fall favorites. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, this was ByStephieNics. Bye.